Hello guys, welcome to Core Academy, and in this video we'll be talking about a very important concept in financial accounting, and that is accrued liability. So talking about the definition, remember accrued liabilities are the payables recorded in conjunction with the recording of accrued expenses. So in the previous video we studied that expenses or accrued expenses are those expenses which have been incurred but have not been paid. For example, if we incurred the electricity bill but we are going to pay for it in the next month, this means that we have accrued an expense, we have incurred an expense. Now since we are going to pay it in the next month, this means that corresponding to the accrued expense, there is also an accrued liability. We have also incurred a liability. So that is the concept. So remember that accrued expense and accrued liabilities are the two sides of a coin. You incur an accrued expense and at the same time you incur an accrued liability. Talking about a journal entry, talking about the journal entry when liability is accrued. Remember that I gave the example of electricity bill. Let's suppose that in January you incurred an electricity bill, but you will pay for the January bill in February. But nonetheless, you have incurred the electricity expense bill in January. So you will debit the electricity expense account and you will credit electricity expense payable account, because you have to pay that electricity expense in the next month, that is in February. So this is the entry of accrued expense as well as accrued liability. Credit side is the accrued liability. Now when the accrued liability is paid off, in our case when the electricity bill is paid off in the next month, the double entry would be we would debit the electricity expense payable account. This debit would make sure that the liability is now taken off from our books, because in the previous month we credited the liability, and now that we are debiting it, this means that the effect of liability is no more in our books. And that is the real time scenario, because in February we would have paid the liability, so there is no need to record the liability, and we will credit the cash or bank account because the money is going out in February. So as you can see, the scheme of this whole transaction, that in January we accrued the expense as well as the corresponding accrued liability, and in February we paid off the liability, that is we debited it and we paid the cash expense to settle the liability. So this is the concept of accrued liability. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know watch more videos on financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, go to the playlists and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.